Assalamualaikum everyone. It's great to be here. Some of my close friends and family are here tonight. I mean the unconditional love I have for them and the unconditional love that they have for the money that I paid them to be here. But it's great to be here. I'm going to keep this short. मेरे घर वालों ने कहा never overstay your welcome. फिर मैंने उनको बताया कि I'll be doing stand-up comedy. So they said, oh, there's no need to overstay. You're never welcome. वो मेरे से काफी खफा हैं. It's not because of stand-up comedy. It's because I went to the UK like my sister to do my masters, also like my sister. Except my sister did her masters in a subject called gender globalization and development, which Google translates to jins, alamgiriyat or taraqi. Very refined. And I did my masters in a subject called land economy, which Google translates to kheti bari. उनको लग रहा है कि I went abroad just for that first word की हवा and independence, and they're absolutely right. That's why I went. But I'm back now and I'm still financially supported by my father, and I will be for a while. And before any of you view me as an elite spoiled princess, just know I decided to pursue a career in comedy. So technically going from riches to rags, जो dream का inverse होता है. मेरे अब्बू बहुत ही simple इंसान है. He likes a few things in life. He likes cricket, parathas, newspapers, his children, and in that order. मेरे अब्बू को पराठे इतने पसंद हैं कि वो मुझे कहते हैं कि सारा जब भी मैं पराठा खाता हूँ ऐसा फील होता है कि I've been transported to heaven. उनके कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट भी मानते हैं कि he will be transported. मेरे अब्बू को पराठे इतने पसंद हैं कि मेरी दादी उनको कहती थी कि बस करो बच्चे, बस करो, कितने पराठे खाओगे? And he used to say, हाँ अम्मी मैं खाता हूँ, बहुत पराठे खाता हूँ, मगर अपने बड़े भाई की तरह जायदाद तो नहीं खाता. Another fair point. मेरे अब्बू thankfully बहुत progressive इंसान है. A month ago it was one of my best friends' weddings and I asked my father, I said, Baba, now that one of my closest friends is getting married, क्या आपको ऐसे expectations है that I should be accepting rishtas? And he said, Sara, zero expectations that you should be accepting rishtas. और अब तो तुम stand-up comedy कर रही हो तो zero expectations कि you'll even be getting any rishtas. But all this talk about rishtas has me thinking about something known as a rishta profile. See, a rishta profile is just a fancy term for all your traits and characteristics to the other family. Like some people are very adventurous, they like to travel. Some like to stay home, play ludo, read books. I mean, my rishta profile is pretty simple. I'm not too fair, easily manipulated, and quite flexible to the US. So I'm basically the Pakistan elections. 2 years ago, the elections took place. After much delay, the elections took place in Pakistan. Shukr alhamdulillah, jazakallah, mashallah. मैंने तो वोट दिया elections पे, पर unfortunately मेरा candidate नजर नहीं आया polling station पे. I don't know why this keeps happening to me. तो मैंने बस ballot paper पे corn on the cob draw करके GA भुट्टा लेके डब्बे में. I did vote, but because my candidate did not show, I actually voted for someone who really did win a seat and is in the current government right now. So I promise you कि एक vote rigged नहीं था. नहीं. Federal elections हुए तो provincial elections भी हुए, which is arguably more important for me. I mean, I want to see development in this province of Sindh. Sindh is known to be home to Pakistan's first capital city. Sindh is known for its literature, culture, Sufism, heritage. What did Sindh not have? मगर आजकल इंतहाई गर्मी, इंतहाई महंगाई, इंतहाई चोरी, मक्कारी, बस सिंध में परेशानियों पे परेशानियां, परेशानियों पे परेशानियां, पी, सिंध में पी. And Sindh is so different to the rest of Pakistan. Punjab, KP, they've all surpassed us. Like if you took a road trip from Islamabad to Karachi, ना आपको road signs की ज़रूरत है, ना Apple Maps, ना GPS, ना Google Maps, बस आप public restrooms की हालत देखने होंगे. If it is a downward trajectory, you're on your way to Sindh. Multan being your turning point. I mean, from clean and pristine bathroom tiles in Lahore to non-existent toilet paper in Hyderabad. You really have to improvise. I do. But नहीं, बहुत लोग, thank you. I agree, sadly. नहीं, लेकिन बहुत लोग कहते हैं कि सारा ऐसे मत कहो, दुनिया उम्मीद पे कायम है. दुनिया उम्मीद पे कायम है. तो मैं कहती हूँ अगर दुनिया उम्मीद पे कायम है, कहाँ है उम्मीद? उम्मीद भाई अब नजर नहीं आ रहे. बस आपका भाई दुख और आपकी बहन गम नजर आ रहे हैं. उम्मीद भाई. But then another very prominent figure, I won't name him, once said कि अब डरने का वक्त नहीं, अब लड़ने का वक्त है. And in today's economy, I reinforce that statement with a little addition. कि अब डरने का वक्त नहीं, अब भागने का वक्त है, भाई भागो यहाँ से, यूएसए भागो, ऑस्ट्रेलिया भागो, कनाडा भागो, इंग्लैंड भागो। कह रहे ever since Brexit, England has become a third world country, हम तो होम से ही नहीं होंगे। लेकिन कितनी दुख की बात है, हाँ? All these brilliant Pakistanis are leaving our country, all this brain drain into Western countries, और ये Western मुल्क हमारे लिए क्या कर रहे हैं? यूएसए, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, कनाडा, इंग्लैंड, आप तो हमारे मेहमान रहे for 300 years, बस फ्लेयर हॉल छोड़ कर गए। और फैंसी क्लब जिसके अंदर there's a sign that says women and dogs not allowed। जी हाँ, the British left behind a fancy club pre-partition where there's a sign that says women and dogs not allowed। ये British लिख कर गए, पाकिस्तानी नहीं। The average Pakistani would never write women and dogs not allowed। The average Pakistani would write women, dogs, cats, animal rights activists, environmentalists, feminists, journalists, but shakal log not allowed। But this country was founded by Quaid-e-Azam on the basis of 3 core principles: unity, faith, and deepan। Discipline nahi, deepan। यहाँ deepan की तो कोई limit ही नहीं, I swear to you। Like a month ago, for my best friend's wedding, I asked my old darzi to stitch clothes for me। Last minute उन्होंने bail किया, क्यों? उनके मामू गुजर गए, sad। But that same mamu has died 9 times, I'm pretty sure that mamu is a villain। PTA tax लग गया, I don't know if anyone remembers, on our phones a few years ago। नहीं, tax नहीं देना, दूसरा phone खरीदना है जो tax है, कि बड़कों tax नहीं देना, 2 phone के साथ ढूंढना है कि secret service agent deal पर। But you know, I really believe in these core principles: unity. We're all united here for this wonderful event hosted by Natalia Bull। Faith, by faith पे ही तो हम सब चल रहे हैं, we're in a city below sea level। Faith पे मैं चल रही हूँ in the heat this summer। But you know, I've become quite accustomed to the heat of Pakistan, and there's a specific reason why। See, last month I went shopping for my best friend's wedding because my darzi's mamu died for the 9th time, the villa mamu। So I went to the store and I called the shopkeeper and I said, ये मैं कपड़े कैसे पहनूंगी जो कराची की गर्मी है? She said, कराची की गर्मी, जो दोज़ख की आग की गर्मी होगी, आपके तो होश उड़ जाएंगे। उसके बाद कभी गर्मी लगी ही नहीं। I don't know if it was faith or the knowing that I'm apparently going to दोज़ख। Speaking of people who should be going to दोज़ख, मेरे रिश्तेदार, that slipped out, I'm so sorry। देखो, लाइफ में 3 मेन प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं: बीमार होना, बेजार होना, and रिश्तेदार होना। That slipped out again, I'm so sorry। You know, मैं कभी कभार सोचती हूँ कि हम अंग्रेजी में रिश्तेदारों को relatives क्यों कहते हैं? Why do we call our family members relatives? And here's what I think. I think we can never describe our family members in absolute terms. We must always describe them relative to someone else. For example, I have an aunt in my family and she is amazing. Relative to Hitler, you know what I mean? Nahin. If I would categorize my rishtedar into 2 different categories, I put them into the MMF category and the MMK category. So the MMF category, the nice category, MMF, my mother's friends. जो मेरी माँ के साथ अच्छी हो, मैं उनके साथ अच्छी, जो मेरी माँ को पसंद करे, मैं उनको पसंद करती हूँ, MMF. Then comes the crazy category or the MMK category. MMK, the मुझे माफ कर दे रिश्तेदार, जिनको हर चीज़ एक यहूदी साजिश लगती है। कोरोना वायरस यहूदी साजिश, फेमिनिज्म यहूदी साजिश, मून पे लैंडिंग यहूदी साजिश। I mean, they even thought that the ex-prime minister was a यहूदी साजिश. How far are they going to go? आप फेल हो एग्जाम में, बेटा भी more responsible, उनके बच्चे फेल हो, नजर लग गई, ये कैसा इंसाफ हुआ? And my mother always tells me कि सारा in Islam we never break the ties of kinship. लेकिन अम्मा ये किन नहीं, जिन है, जिन। Sorry अम्मा। But thanks to my amma, I come from a Sindhi-speaking Baloch family, and Sindhi-speaking families हमारे बहुत stereotypes होती हैं. But the irony is that I'm the exact opposite of those stereotypes. Not really. कि हम बहादुर हैं, भाई thunderstorm सुन के ऐसा लगता है इस World War III I'm the biggest डरपोक on this earth. कि हम दूसरों के साथ दुश्मनी करते हैं, I get attached to my bakra on Bakra Eid. कि हम over involved in politics, भाई family politics नहीं होती हैं. The worst that we have a curly mustache. I only had that till I was 13, okay? नहीं, एक stereotype तो लगना ही था कि Sindhis are lazy, and I'm the laziest person on this planet, I swear to you. You know how on WhatsApp you put as your status, can't talk, WhatsApp only? I only put that because I'm napping. I I swear. But the one thing in comedy many like to discuss is their love life. I mean, if I were to describe my love life, I describe it like this beautiful Persian cat my mom got me. Just like that Persian cat, my love life is so dead, just really doesn't exist anymore. But I'm not averse to love. I don't mind when couples exhibit public displays of fights. Bada maza aata hai. But I do have a criteria though. I want someone who's bold, adventurous, lives life on the edge, but vulnerable and sensitive on the inside. So I basically want the exterior of James Bond, but the interior of Winnie the Pooh. License to kill, but cute and cuddly. And I know we encounter such good-looking yet emotionally stable men every day in storybooks. Pakistani mard sarkadar. Ladies. But if there's one obstacle in my love life, it's aajkal ki TV shows, documentaries, or filming. I mean, serial killers, stalkers, swindlers, Ted Bundy, Jeffrey Dahmer. It's like I'm picking out sociopathic tendencies in people. Like I was introduced to this boy and he said, I love food, I love music, I love my family, I really love my ummi. I said, oh, so you love your ummi? But on a scale of 1 to Freud, how much? Then I met this other guy, Bada elite Sata, and he said he was a shikari, that he loved to go hunting. But I kid you not, judging by his bifocals and mooch, I'm pretty sure he hunts defense ki auntiyan. But the one thing in comedy that you never discuss, especially in Pakistan, is religion. And I have absolutely no intentions of doing that tonight. But if I would discuss religion, I describe myself as a reverse atheist. It's not like I don't believe in God, I just don't think God believes in me. Like I got mugged at Nadra.
What?
I got mugged at Nadra. I mean, girls, when you go to Nadra, it's like life has already mugged you. नीचे से होकर आए नहीं, बायोमेट्रिक सही नहीं आया, थंबप्रिंट सही नहीं आया, हाथ धोकर वापस आए, आगे आए फोटो के लिए, सर ऊपर करें, नाक नीचे करें, बाल कान के पीछे, बाल कान के पीछे, बाल कान के पीछे. Nadra is hell. What is the mugger going to take from me? What is the mugger going to take from me? My passport? वैसे भी 10 महीने में नहीं मिलने वाला. Higher chance the mugger returns the passport than Nadra. God just doesn't believe in me. Like my name Sarah. In Arabic means princess. Monaco की तो नहीं बनी ना princess. It's the princess of Rona, Dhona, and Morona, and coronavirus. 4 बार लगा. But if I couldn't be the princess of Monaco, and I couldn't be the princess of Saudi, and I couldn't be the princess of Wales, I'm not Lady Diana. They never shoot me. And if I couldn't be the princess of Pakistan, Onaija Robinson stole that from me, जी. आप लोगों को याद है वो खातून आई थी अमेरिका से? Yes, 1 year ago, and she catfished that young boy. भाई आप सोचिए, she got her own press conference by Chiba Sam. She got VIP protocol from the officer Shabana. Shabana, yes. इतनी protocol हमें भी नहीं मिली भाई airports पे. Yes, but आप सोचें, in some ways she became more powerful than Imran Khan. But in some ways she's quite similar to Imran Khan. आप सोचें, दोनों ने foreign बंदे से शादी की. इमरान खान ने जमाइमा से, ओनाइजा ने निडाल हमीद, वो जो 19 साल का बच्चा that's still hiding in interior Sindh right now. भाई, we've had 2 wars and Onaija's catfish boy is still hiding in interior Sindh. और दोनों इमरान खान और ओनाइजा ने कहा, I want money from the government to fix up this place. आप लोगों को याद है? इमरान खान ने कहा मुझे चंदा चाहिए, ओनाइजा ने कहा I want 100K in my pocket. तो नहीं, but Onaija is Pakistan's princess. So if I couldn't be the princess of anything, or the queen, or even the first lady, then I hope tonight, just for a moment, for all you lovely ladies, I could be the court jester. Thank you.
The takeaways from today are definitely ittikaf.